everyone, this is day 7, the last day of my vlog series, My Move from Brisbane to Sydney, Australia. I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. It is still a work in progress, even though this is the last day of my vlog series. Sabi na ng mom ko, take it one day at a time. So I started my day by unpacking some boxes, which are for decorations. And then I opened another box, so these are all for printing and stationery items. I don't have enough space yet for the decorations, but that's fine. I can always arrange them later. Hindi ka magpa-stress. My mom always told me to not get stressed and be relaxed. Then I disposed some more boxes. It's a never-ending disposing of boxes. Then I cleaned the house and I did the laundry. Then at night, I made dinner and my husband helped me. We have some boxes again. We need to set up the second room, which will serve as the office room as well. And of course, we need wine. So we had the wine with our roasted chicken. This week has been joyful and tiring at the same time for both of us. And I would like to thank everyone who supported me and followed me through this vlog series. Watch out for more videos. See you again next time.